Hi, my name is Ashley Felsh, and today I would like to teach you a little bit about parasitic resistance in Anthelmintics. So first off, what are parasites? Parasites are organisms that depend on a host for nutrients. They can prevent weight gain, limit nutrients, deplete the blood supply, increase susceptibility to infection, and in severe cases, cause death. Anthelmintics are designed to kill parasites and prevent larvae from growing. They are generally less effective in humans and are more popular in the large animal industry. This includes horses and livestock. Livestock are usually ruminants, which means that they have 4 compartments in their stomach. This allows them to properly digest the forage that they eat. So how do parasites become resistant? Well, for example, a flock of sheep that may be administered Anthelmintics will probably kill the majority of the parasites. However, due to diversity in a large population, some of these parasites will have a genetic mutation in their DNA. This allows them to become resistant to the Anthelmintic and creates superworms. These superworms can reproduce and overall contribute to parasitic resistance. So how can we prevent Anthelmintic resistance? The first step is to make sure that there are actually parasites in our herd. We can do this in 3 ways. The first is the Fatha-Milan chart, also known as the FAMTA test. The FAMTA test uses the color of an animal's inner eyelid to determine if it is anemic, a symptom of parasite presence. As you can see, as the intensity of the red color decreases, an animal becomes more infested with parasites. Another method is the fecal egg count. The fecal egg count physically counts all of the larvae in a small sample of animal feces on a microscope slide. And the third method is analyzing the condition of the animal. If an animal is thin, has a dull coat, or shows signs of anemia, it is probably infested with parasites. So, how can we properly administer Anthelmintics to our herd? Well, first off, you should only administer Anthelmintics to about 1/3 of the herd, those that need it most. This allows the other 2/3 to still produce vulnerable parasites, and this overall dilutes the entire population of parasites. Another proper method is to weigh your animal to ensure that you provide the proper dose. This prevents underdosing, which is one of the main contributors to parasitic resistance. Other methods of controlling parasites include pasture rotation. This ends the life cycle for parasites and prevents them from growing. Additionally, studies on meat goats have shown that copper oxide particles are also incredibly effective at managing parasites. But the big one here is proper care and management. Animals should always have clean and fresh water, clean bedding, and clean feed off the ground. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you much.